Welcome, foodies and seafood lovers. Today, we're diving into the flavors of Italy with a classic dish, Zuppa di Pesce. But wait, there's more. We'll also uncover some fascinating unknown facts about this delectable seafood soup. So, get your spoons ready, and let's embark on this culinary adventure. Fact number 1. Zuppa di Pesce, also known as Italian fish soup, originates from the coastal regions of Italy. It's a beloved dish that showcases the bounty of the Mediterranean Sea. The soup is traditionally made with a variety of fish and shellfish, simmered together with aromatic herbs and spices. Fact number 2. Zuppa di Pesce is a versatile dish that varies from region to region. Each coastal area puts its own twist on the recipe, incorporating local ingredients and flavors. From the tomato-based soups of southern Italy to the saffron-infused broths of Sardinia, every version of Zuppa di Pesce has its own unique charm. Fact number 3. Zuppa di Pesce is a true celebration of seafood diversity. The soup can include an array of fish and shellfish, such as shrimp, mussels, clams, calamari, and various types of fish fillets. The combination of flavors and textures creates a symphony of tastes that's hard to resist. Fact number 4. Zuppa di Pesce is more than just a soup, it's an experience. In Italy, this dish is often enjoyed with friends and family, bringing people together around the table. It's a symbol of conviviality and shared moments, where the rich flavors of the sea transport you to the sun-kissed shores of Italy. Fact number 5. Zuppa di Pesce is a showcase of Italian culinary heritage. Its roots can be traced back to ancient Roman times when fish stews were a common dish. Over the centuries, the recipe evolved and embraced new ingredients and techniques, but the essence of Zuppa di Pesce remained, a tribute to Italy's coastal culinary traditions. Fact number 6. Zuppa di Pesce pairs perfectly with crusty bread or garlic-rubbed bruschetta. The bread soaks up the flavorful broth, enhancing the dining experience. It's a delightful combination that allows you to savor every last drop of this seafood delight. So, there you have it, 6 unknown facts about the irresistible Italian Zuppa di Pesce. Whether you're a seafood enthusiast or simply appreciate the joys of Italian cuisine, this soup is sure to satisfy your cravings. Buon appetito! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tantalizing food adventures. Until next time, happy cooking!